What's going on, YouTube? If you're in the market for an airbrush or air compressor for your airbrush, I got something to show you here. This air compressor is the Fortress from Harbor Freight. It's a smaller unit. Right now it's going for $100 with your coupon. It's a nice little unit. I like it. Works well for me. It's small, powerful. Doesn't take long to fill up that tank with air. It's fast. Doesn't produce a lot of moisture. However, as you see there, I got a filter. I recommend checking this out. This here I recommend for a beginner, intermediate airbrush artist. Really cool. The Iwatas, those are expensive. They get up to 150, 250, 350, depending on the model you're looking at. This right here can keep up with them easy. Piece of cake. Best bang for your buck right there. You're looking at it. I've seen cheaper ones on Amazon for $50, $60. I do not recommend that. That air compressor there is cool. Check it out. Now, an airbrush. If you're looking for an airbrush, that right there on eBay, I've seen it running for $100. That airbrush right there is high quality. The best airbrush you can get for $100 is right there. The Revolution CR. That there is a .05 needle. I've had that airbrush for over 11 years and it's still going. Still going strong. I have another Iwata HPC Plus. That there is a .03 needle. It's a smaller needle. If you're looking for an airbrush compressor combo, that's the best bang for your buck. For your hard-earned money, right there.